In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Figma MCP to Cursor. Whether you're a designer looking to streamline your workflow or simply want to enhance the integration between your design tools and Cursor, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Cursor agent page. You can do this by visiting the Cursor website and logging into your account if you're not already there. Once you're in, head over to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 dots right beside your profile picture. Click on those dots to open up additional options. This is where we'll dive into the settings you need. Next, you'll need to access the Cloud Agent settings. You can find this option once you've clicked on the 3 dots. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to make sure you're in the right section to manage your cloud agents effectively. This is where all the magic starts to happen, so make sure you're following along carefully. After you've entered the Cloud Agent settings, the next step is to click on Plugins. Plugins are essential because they allow you to integrate different applications and tools with Cursor, providing enhanced functionality and smoother transitions between your various design and development tasks. It's like adding new features to your existing setup, which can be incredibly powerful. Once you're in the Plugins section, look for the Figma plugin. Figma is a widely used design tool, and integrating it with Cursor can significantly improve how you manage your design projects. Click on the Figma option to proceed. This will open up a new page where you can see more details about the plugin and its capabilities. The final step is to add the Figma plugin to Cursor. You'll see an option that says Add to Cursor. Click on it to initiate the connection between Figma MCP and Cursor. This step is crucial as it officially links the two platforms, allowing them to communicate and work together seamlessly. Once added, you should see a confirmation indicating that the plugin has been successfully integrated. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Figma MCP to Cursor. This integration will help you manage your design projects more efficiently, allowing you to focus on creativity and productivity. If you encounter any issues or have questions, make sure to revisit each step to ensure everything is set up correctly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.